What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the netwsw00.sys BSOD error that you may be getting on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you should do is type in Device Manager on your search bar to basically open this up, and you want to find where it says Network and Adapters, and in here you want to find the main network adapter, right? It's most likely going to be the Intel one. It could be something else also, but you want to essentially find this specific one. Again, yours is going to say something else, and the main thing we're doing is we're essentially updating it. So you can do it one of two ways. You can either update the driver from here directly by clicking this, or the recommended method is actually to search this and write update in Google, and on Intel's website it'll pop up and tell you to essentially download it. And the reason I'm going to show you is, like, if you go to properties and you go to like details, or I believe it's somewhere in here, it shows you what the latest version of the update was. So you can see over here, like, you'll get like information of what last stuff happened for this or not. So it could be something that's like very old and it hasn't been updated in a while. So I would, hence why I'm saying or recommending you to kind of look into this to get the update done. The next thing you can do, if this still does not fix it, is go to your search bar again and write network reset, right? Until you see this pop up, click into it, and then press reset now. This is going to basically remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You could have had like a VPN, a virus, who knows what, on your computer that's probably messing it up for you and giving you this error. So doing this will make that error go away, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash those up. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and Mo Tutorials out. Peace.